So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Word Search Sea on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up in the bottom left, press on the games icon and then press on get started. It'll then redirect you to this screen right here where we are going to go ahead and look for the game Word Search C. So the simplest way here is where it says sort by most popular to go to Z to A. And then just scroll down a little bit here to where you're looking for right here, Word Search C. Now, in order to actually make some real money by playing this game, you have to first and foremost press on the game and then press on Get Now. Once that is done, if you go down and you simply just play the game and progress throughout, so in this case, you discover the seahorse, you discover the starfish, the crab, octopus, etc. And basically, the further you go throughout the game, the more swag bucks you can earn. And basically, how you can make real money by playing this is by cashing those swag bucks in for gift cards or money. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing Word Search C on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.